What's up, guys? I'm Tanner with OBO, and I'm excited to present another HubSpot Plus Expert Insights and Hidden Gems video. Today's part 2 of the Sales Hub series, and we're going to go all about companies. We're specifically going to go a little bit more into account-based marketing and target accounts, mostly because all of the company stuff is very similar to what you'll see in the contact side. So without further ado, we'll talk about companies.
So now we're going to go to companies, and this is exactly the same as contacts. It looks the same, it behaves the same way. So if you're curious to know how to use these filters and whatnot, go to the first video in this series, and it talks about how to do it within contacts. The only difference is it's companies and company properties rather than contacts and contact properties. So that is the only difference. But there is one key important piece that I want you to see here, and that is target accounts. So this is specific to account-based marketing, and this is a new page. If we click on this, it'll take you to this section right here. So in case you didn't know what account-based marketing was, account-based marketing is essentially staying top of mind and always maintaining those relationships with these companies so that when the deal opens up and when the opportunity arises, you're there to take it. Typically, account-based marketing contains a lot of different people on both sides, the sellers and the buyers. You have sales engineers, you have BDRs, you have SDRs, you have account executives, you have people writing the contracts, you have people looking things up. And then on the other side, you have the decision makers, you have the users, you have the procurement team, you have a lot of different hats and a lot of things to manage. And that's why target accounts and account-based marketing is specifically geared towards this type of sale, where they look at all the tasks that need to be done, all of the calls that happen, all of the meetings, because there's a lot of them. It's a long sale. It's not your typical 2-call close and then you're done. There's a lot more complexity to this, and it can be really, really tough. And so the account-based marketing is how people get that done. Like I said, this is a different type of selling. So if you don't know what's going on and you don't know account-based marketing and you guys don't use it in your company, then don't worry about this. This is a big deal. But essentially, these are the filters that people like to focus on for account-based marketing: is what stage they're in, what industry they are, what ideal customer profile tier they are in. Essentially, how well do they fit our customer profile of the people we're trying to sell to, and then also what team they belong to. This is very team-oriented, very hyper-focused, very specific towards creating relationships with the main decision makers and the deals inside of these companies. There is a property specifically in the companies that you can mark as a target account, and then it'll automatically go to this section. So if you're really looking towards personalized and focused sales efforts with high collaboration, this is the page you're going to want to go to. So if we click on one of these, we'll get account overviews. And this is what you'll see. It's basically a summary of all the contacts within this company and how they've interacted with you or your software or your website or whatever it is, and who the stakeholders are and what's really important in their deals and page views. But if we click on the company, it works the exact same way as it does a contact. All of the customizations, all of the information, everything is exactly the same. It's just that the object is the company rather than the contact. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Tanner with OBO, and that was another HubSpot Plus Expert Insights and Hidden Gems video. We'll see you guys next time.